Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and I'm here to show some happy mail I got from my sweet friend Linnea at Linnea's Cozy Crafts and More. I will link her channel down below. This was unexpected, so I'm really excited to see what I got. So let's open up the box. There was a bag full of goodies in here. I can't wait to dive in here. Let's see. So excited. So let's open it up and see what kind of goodies are in here. First, we got some cute bows, and you can use these for Christmas or any type of crafting, especially at Christmas time. This will be nice and come in handy, so thank you. Ooh, we got some stuff from Paper Studio, my favorite. We have some flat backs here. Oh, they are so pretty. I love those colors too. She knows that. Ooh, we got some sequence mixes. Very nice. You can never have enough sequence mixes. Oh, one's missing there. This is beautiful. It's a great palettes of them. Great colors. And then we got some lovely, elastic cord. You can use those for trims, bracelets. This is I believe it's a Joann's brand, and that's beautiful. I love the color. You can use this for so many things, especially ephemera pieces that you're going to use to layer. You can use that too, and that is very pretty. Love it. She sent me some playing cards, and you can use these for ephemera pieces or whatever you want. Ephemeras, journals, you can also use them for ATC cards. They come in really good handy with ATC cards. So thank you so much, because you can go, you can send a lot of these out and they go quickly. So those are always nice, and like I said, great ephemera pieces too. Thank you so much. We even got these cute iron-on appliques, and you don't have to use those for iron-ons. You can also use those for ephemera pieces as well. Very nice. Or you can use them for iron-ons. We got some butterflies, some crosses. This one says faith. So pretty. Very pretty. So there's those. So many goodies in here. We got a puzzle, and you can also, I think this is a puzzle, right? 350 pieces in here, and you can also make these in ephemera pieces. You can make bracelets, and you can make actually all kinds of stuff out of these, or you can use it as a puzzle. Yeah, so that would be wonderful. You can could probably like paint them and make them as earrings, put a hole in there, all kinds of neat stuff. So thank you, Linnea. I was watching someone putting puzzle pieces as a bracelet the other day. I thought that was such a cool idea. You were reading my mind. And then we got some cute markers, and they're washable, so that's nice. And they got some pretty colors, and I got some coloring books I can use these on, because all the rest of my stuff are packed away. So wonderful. Love the goodies. Wow, there's a lot here. Ooh, we got some beautiful washi tape. Look at that washi tape. That is so pretty. And you can put those on the ATC cards and make a pretty ATC card. We got some more playing cards. Thank you, Linnea. And then we got some butterflies. These are always good as great ephemera pieces too, or embellishments, whatever you want to do. Those are always nice to have in your stash, and I love them. I love the colors and everything. It's so pretty. And another great ephemera piece, and it's a G. And this is my daughter. Is that a G? I think it's a G, right? And I can give that to my daughter because her name starts with that. So pretty. Great things you can do with feathers. Great things. And she knows I don't have a Dollar Tree around me, so this is very nice. And we got all the pretty colors. You can do so much with these. So thank you, Linnea. So sweet. Feather slash plums. I love it. And I love the colors. And next thing we got, oops, is some colored pencils. You can never have enough colored pencils. And there's 12 of them in there. Very nice. And I have a coloring book that's sitting out right now that I'm gonna probably color in. So this is always nice. Thank you so much. And we got some, looks like we got some stickers, or is this just paper? So we've got some beautiful, it says note, be strong. Let's do this. This will make great for paper crafting. Oops. Or if you have it in a journal or a planner, anything like that. These are always nice. It says ASAP, vacation, and it has days of the birthdays here. Very nice. Notes. And never give up. So that is so nice. Very pretty. Thank you so much for thinking of me. That was so sweet of you. All right, I will link Linnea's channel down below in the description box. And all these wonderful goodies. Thank you so much. I really appreciate and love them very much. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.